Do you have information that you need to capture and print in the same way every time? I have a solution for you. In this video, I will show you how you can create a reusable template using two applications, Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. We will see the differences between the two applications and you can decide which one works best for you. So, let's get to it. I have this template that captures the medication that patients need to take every day. It is used as a visual aid to avoid confusions for the patients. It is divided by time of the day with illustrations on the shapes of the pills and even colors. Let's use first Microsoft Word to recreate this template. In a blank document, open the Insert tab, then open the Table menu, select 7 columns and 7 rows, and click to Insert. The top section needs to be divided in 3 sections, one for the name, one for the date, and one for the pharmacy information. On the first row, select 4 cells from the left, right-click, then select Merge Cells. Select the 3 cells on the right, right-click, then select Merge Cells. For the second row, select all the cells, right-click, and then Merge Cells. To make it look the same, we need to remove the borders in the middle. Select the 3 cells, open the borders, all the way down select Borders and Shading, click on the 2 lines in the middle to remove, and then click OK. On the first cell, do the placeholder, name of patient. On the cell to the right, do the placeholder, date, and on the second row, do the placeholder for the pharmacy phone number. Now let's put the titles on the third row. Name, use for, instructions, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Now let's add some of the illustrations. This one will go in the morning, this for the afternoon, this for the evening, and this for the night. Now let's adjust the height of the table with this square at the bottom. Then adjust the individual rows by hovering the mouse over the divider and drag it up. Then we need to have 3 main shapes for the pills to be available depending on the medication. Let's do that at the bottom of the page. Insert a table with 1 row and 3 columns. Open the Shape menu, insert an oval, shape it like a circle and make it smaller. Now move it to the center of the cell. Open the Shape menu, insert another oval, shape it like an oval, make it smaller, and center it on the cell. Open the Shape menu, insert a Terminator shape from the flowchart, and this is the closest to the capsule. Make it smaller and center it on the cell. From the template standpoint, this is pretty much done. Now let's move to Excel to recreate the same template. We will start on a blank worksheet. Select cells from 7 columns and 7 rows starting on cell B2. Open the Border menu and select all borders to delimitate the table. Select 4 cells from the left on the first row and merge them together. Select the 3 cells on the right and merge them as well. Select all the cells on the second row and merge them. Now select the 3 merged cells, open the Border menu, all the way down select More Borders, then click on the lines in the middle to remove the borders. On the first cell, do the placeholder, name of patient. On the cell to the right, do the placeholder, date, and on the second row, do the placeholder for the pharmacy phone number. Now let's add the titles on the third row. Name, use for, instructions, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Let's increase the height of the rows. Select rows 4 to 8 and extend it by dragging the divider. Now let's add some of the illustration. This one will go in the morning, this for the afternoon, this for the evening, and this for the night. For the pills, we will select 3 cells at the bottom. Open the Borders menu, select all, and expand the row height. Open the Insert tab, Shapes, select Oval, Shape it like a circle, make it small, and move it to the first cell. Open the shapes, select oval, shape it like an oval, make it smaller, and move it to the second cell. Open the shapes, select Terminator from the flowcharts, make it smaller, and move it to the third cell. And here we have. Making the template was similar between the two applications. Now let's see how we can use them with an example. Let's start with Word. We will use this name for the first medication. This will be for cholesterol. It will be 1 round pill at night. Now copy the shape and paste it on the right column. We will use this other name for the second medication. Used for diabetes, and this is 2 capsules, one in the morning and one in the evening. Let's do the same process. Let's copy the shapes and paste it on the right columns. Now let's try to print it. Open the File tab, select Print, change the orientation of the page to landscape, and here we can see the preview. To create a template per patient, we will need to create a file per each of those patients. Now let's do the same example in Excel. We'll use again this name for the first medication, cholesterol, 1 round pill at night. Now copy the shape and paste it on the right column. We'll use this other one for the second medication, diabetes, 2 capsules, one in the morning, one in the evening. Copy the shapes and paste them on the right columns. Now let's try to print it. First, select the table, then open Page Layout, Print Area, and set Print Area. Open the File tab, select Print, change the orientation of the page to Landscape, and click on Page Setup. Here we can change the scaling to fit the page. And here we can see the preview. To create more pages, the advantage of doing it in Excel is that you can create tabs. Right-click on the tab, move or copy, move to the end, check on Create a Copy, and click OK. You can rename the tabs and save the file. And you can keep adding more pages to the same file. Alright, now you know how you can create a reusable template in both applications. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my pages to learn more about these applications. I'll see you in the next video.